Hard Knock Trader coming at you with a video for my analysis coming up for the week. As you can see, we trading, I'm trading Gbp Usd. Chart already marked up, but we'll do a little more. As you can see, I got my whole numbers marked off. I'll go up a little bit. How y'all doing today, man? I hope everything is well and everybody's looking forward to a prosperous trading week. I hope everybody looking to have a successful trading week. You know, whether you paper trading, live trading, you know, practicing a new strategy, old strategy, back testing. I hope you have some progress this week. But right now, you know, I'm just going through marking my whole numbers. And that should be it for the week. May do one more. I'm looking for a sale this week, but you know, we'll see how things go. But I'm actually using TradingView. I do pay for it. I like to set alerts. Me personally, I don't like to do stop losses and TPs. I feel like the brokers stop hunt and, you know, also stop short to take profits if you know, catching 40 to 50 pips at a time for 4,500, however you look at it. Like for example, 1.34 to 1.35. I like to call it 1,000 pips, but some people would say it's 100 pips. But yeah, if you catching 300 and 400 pips at a time, you know, that's a lot of pips. And I have felt like at times the brokers have kind of stopped right before it hits my TP. It goes the other way, and I wake up, come back later on, you know, had a chance to make money and see that my TP was almost hit. For those of you who don't know TP, that stands for take profit. You know, I come and it be done almost hit it and turn back around, and that kind of, now you revenge trading and making bad decisions. So me personally, I don't use stop losses or take profit. I set alerts. So like, as you can see right here, it's a horizontal alert. And you can come in here and set you an alert on TradingView. So it's like a mental alert. The brokers don't know where you plan on getting out at. They don't know where you plan on taking profit at. Kind of keeps them honest. So I pay the $15 a month for TradingView, and it's worth it for me. You know, so I had an alert right here last week sometime. I don't know if it was for TP or for, you know, a stop loss. I don't think I took any losses last week. I didn't take a whole lot of trades, but I didn't take any L's last week. But as you can see, I'm on a 4-hour chart. I'm looking for a sale, right? This week, I'm looking for the market to reverse. As you can see, it's been going up from all the way to 1.30, all the way up to 1.34, and we had a little retrace right here. You see this area had a retrace of almost, I would say, 1,000 pips. Another retest. but it hasn't broke the resistance right here. Let's see if we can draw a line so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, we have our resistance right here. Draw a little line going across. Okay. Support. Down here, right? Which is also right on the whole number, 1.33. We'll put it right here. So we have our support at the top, resistance at the bottom, right? So anything below here, you know, 4-hour candlestick closing below 1.33, probably gonna ride down to 1.32, right? But just to get in and out, I say it's safe if it comes down to 1.33 to ride down to, you know, 1.32, 775. Not to be too greedy, but enough of a move, you know, to make you some money. Especially if you're dealing with these broker accounts and you playing with a lot of capital. You know, even if you a trader that like to stat, take a bunch of small trades and just ride it down. But you know, once again, we have our support up here, resistance down here. I'm not really a scalper. I'm more of a swing trader. I don't hold trades for months at a time, but I will hold them, you know, for a day or two, 3-4 days, things like that. But I'm more of a swing trader versus a scalper, so I don't mind sitting back and letting the market make big moves before I get in. But yeah, like I said, Sunday the market just opened up. I'm actually on Central Time right now, but the market just opened up, but 4 hours ago. Not too much noise, but you know, I won't sit here and watch it all day. So pretty much, I'm gonna set an alert right here. Draw a horizontal line. And my alerts, I like to change the color of the lines I make. Let's go green. We're gonna add an alert right here. Once per minute. All right. And that ensures that it goes out. Cause I notice if I just do a crossing up, sometimes I don't get the alert. It just vibrates instead of making a little chirping noise. So, you know, if the market goes above up here, probably looking to ride up to 1.35, but just, you know, not to be too greedy. Even if you can catch 20 pips, 200 pips, however you like to count. I like to say 200 pips, like I said, right? From 1.34 thousand to 1.35 thousand. To me, that's 1,000 pips, but you may know traders that would say that's 100 pips, right? But me, 1.35 to 1.37, catch you a quick little 200 pips and get out, you know. You could potentially ride it up to 1.35. It's all on you. It's all up to you. But I'm not getting in right now. I'm gonna sit back and see what happens. But I also will set an alert. We'll set an alert right here as well, because me personally, if it goes down, if the market goes down, right, I'm going to just wait for the pullback. So we right here. You know, if it goes down, and especially if it gets down right here, I'll hold it. You know, if it gets below here, I may would catch a few sales, but I like to catch retraces. You know, I like to do the buys, right? If you wanted to get in early on the sale right here, just, you know, taking a chance and kind of look for your stop loss up here where I had that alert. Like, let's say that I'm predicting, I think it's going to be a sale this week, right? But let's say I'm being risky and getting in early on the Sunday on the sale, right? Or Monday. We could get in right now and not even put a stop loss. We just know we got our alert right here. So that would be roughly 800 pips, you know. But if you're not over leveraging, you give yourself room to breathe, right? People don't get a market time to breathe and have these tight stop losses because they over leveraging. You know, I've lost enough money to know that it just doesn't work for me. I like to give it room to do its thing, and you know, my anxiety is not high, and I make a lot of money that way. Well, we'll put it this way: I had more success doing it that way, right? But if we were to get into a trade on the sale, which I think is gonna sell this week, but even if I'm wrong and it goes up, hey, we take our loss, right? And if it did go up, I will continue to let it go up. And when it come back and retest, then we would get in on the buy. Get our money back and load up, you know. But to keep the guessing work out, I miss a lot of moves and catch them on the retest. So the truth of the matter is, I don't know if it's going up or down, right? So I just sit back. And if it goes down, then we'll be looking for sales. I just let it fall. In a certain area, I know, let's buy and ride it on back up. You know, that's where the patience comes in. That sometimes I go a whole week and don't take a trade, but when I do get in that following week, I can double my money. You know, patience is the main thing with this trade, and you gotta have the patience. Being impatient and over leveraging will ruin you every time, and you'll continue to make the same mistake. So not much left here to do. I already, you know, we got our support, we got our resistance. I got my alert up here, I got my alert down here. I'm not worried about what's going on right here, because that's not how I trade. You can go to the 1 hour candlestick, you know, and like I said, for those people that want to guess, I feel like they know, you know, put your stop loss and see what happens. I'm not getting in right now. We go to the 1 day. Even on the 1 day candlestick, and I'm gonna eventually start doing these videos on the computer, right? But just right now on the phone, look, we had this bullish from the 15th all the way to August 16th all the way up until August 28th. That's 2 weeks. It was bullish. Then we had the retrace and bullish again. And this is for my swingers, right? My swing traders. Wednesday the 11th all the way up to around Thursday 26th. That's 2 weeks. 2 week trends, you feel me? 2 weeks up, 2 weeks down. 2 weeks up, kind of consolidating. I'm anticipating it to come all the way down to 132, right? So let me see if I can show y'all what I'm talking about with the trend line. Okay, so follow me. Went up 2 weeks, down 2 weeks, up 2 weeks, maybe down 2 weeks. So let's see. We'll do this trend line on the day. Boom. That's why I'm anticipating it may go. And we'll leave it right there so we can come back in the future and see how things went. But that may be where that's going, right? And we could do a sell and just ride it down. Or if you want to be super safe, let it go down there and get back in on the buy. You may have to sacrifice a week, even 2 weeks. But if you feel like you have a week or two out of the month and you know exactly where the market is going, you can get great return on your money. You know, double your money, triple your money. This is how guys are stacking. You know, turning, you know, putting in $1,000 and putting it on 10K in a couple of weeks. Some people do it in a couple, you know, I've seen people do it in days, but even if you can put in $1,000 and put it on $3,000 in a month, that's phenomenal. You know, whatever works for you. And this is with your own money. Of course, with these prop firms, they have strict rules on how you have to trade, leverage, and certain trading styles they frown upon and they don't like, and you know, they'll fail you doing your prop firm test, which I will be doing my first prop firm challenge soon, and I'll be documenting it. I'm back on the channel uploading now, and just giving what I got and what I learned over 7 years, going on 7 years, I'm giving it back. You know, I'm giving it back. I ain't charging nothing. I just ask for a like, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video, tell a friend and tell a friend. I'm gonna share what I know. I may go back and do some amateur video for people that are completely clueless about trading, but this video here is more for people that I already know the basics and the foundation of trading. But so we're gonna see if the market goes down to 1.32, because we're on a daily candlestick now. But even if it doesn't, that's cool. As you can see, it's already been retesting and consolidating between this support and resistance level that we have. So above here, then yeah, we looking to ride up to this next whole number. Go below here, we're looking to ride it down to this whole number. And even if you want to be on the safe side, if it does go all the way down here, I think that's a great opportunity to get in on the buy, because let's pull the feel by it. Okay, on the daily candlestick, boom. See that bounced out of 0.5? I don't know if y'all can see me, but you know, they follow the cursor, but it goes all the way down to 0.5 right here. Boom. Breaks through previous support all the way up. We got a new high, so I'm looking for a retest down here. I may be wrong, but it doesn't matter if I'm not getting in on the sell. I could just sit back and wait and catch the retest on the buy. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm anticipating a pullback this week. I could be wrong, but I'm anticipating a pullback. You know, but if I'm wrong and it goes above the support, then it's cool, because we're not in on a trade right now, and we'll just catch a little paper going up to this next whole number. So, you know, that's what I see on the daily candlestick. Let's move this field to the latest trend on the daily candlestick. Okay, set them right there. Let's pull them up. As you can see, I know it's a little messy, but y'all see the trend line that I had drew down to 1.32. Okay, when we pull the Fibonacci tool out, what else is on 1.32? 0.5 over here. 0.5 on the Fibonacci, 1.32225, somewhere in this area. So there's two things we looking at that was, that you kind of could assume the market is going down, or predict that that's where the market is going down to retest. And even if you don't want to get in on the sell, that's cool. Just sit back for a week. Be patient. It's a strong chance that when the market gets down here, if it goes that way, you can buy and catch you 1,000 pills and make a lot of money, So Fibonacci says that the market will fall down here if it sells, and if it doesn't and breaks above this support, like I said, we're gonna continue to ride it up, which it may go to 1.36, but we ain't trying to get too ahead of the game. Just take what the market gives you. So even if you got 500 pips to play with right here, get you 200-300 and get out the game, man. That's a lot of money, especially if you got a funded account, 50K, 100K, 300K funded account. Even if you catch that move twice in a month, then you able to get 5% on each trade out of 300K funded account twice a month. That's 5% of 100K be 15. That's 30,000 in a month minus the broker 10-20%. $10% in a month on 300K account, yeah, that's 30K minus they 20%. There's still 24,000 in your pocket off a funded account. So now you see the power, and you don't have to make all these trades. You don't have to trade every day. You don't have to keep catching these humongous moves if you have a funded account. But even with, that's my thinking, right? But even with your own money, it's still cool to sit back. Even if you put in $200, if that's all you got, even to put 200 on 430 days, you doubled your money. You can't get that in the bank. It's a lot of investments you can't get that in. And the more confident you are in your skill set and your knowledge, the more, you can step it up. Even though you had $5,000. What if you had $3,000 to put into a broker and you could pull out $6,000 every month? They pay a lot of people bills. Like, even if you got a job and you can put $3K on $6K every month, it's life changing, because all your money that you're working for is your money. Or that extra $3K that you're making with trading, you can keep putting that to the side and exponentially growing every month. Or try the prop firm if you choose to. That's just how I look at it. That's just how I look at it. So that's my spiel for today, what I see in the market. Let me know what y'all think, what y'all see. What y'all like to trade. Any more pairs y'all want me to look at, because once you learn how to trade or the fundamentals of it, you can trade anything. Each pair does move differently. I like Gbp Usd. As you can see, I've been charting up GJ as well. Trying out some things. So GJ is on the rise right now. Even with GJ, let's go ahead and let's do a fill right quick on the daily candlestick. As y'all can see, you see how it bounced right off of 1.95, really 1.96. You can't make this up. This happens repeatedly. Okay, so let's pull that fill down, right? Boom, went all the way down to 1.90. It's bouncing out these whole numbers a lot, and it always does, right? So this may at least go up to 1.91. I mean 1.92. We'll see. But I'm not, you know, I've been doing some trading on GJ, but you know, still writing my notes, taking my notes, sitting back for a couple months, taking notes about what happens around a certain time frame during the month. You know, what happens at every 2 weeks. Like I said, I'm more of a swing trader. I look at the market from a swing trader mindset, but I may take a bunch of small trades along the way. But my bias is 2-3 weeks out. You know, I don't use the minute charts or anything like that. I look for a bias of a week, 2 weeks out, and just take a bunch of small trades, not necessarily holding for 2 weeks. You know, kind of unorthodox swing trader, if you will. But yeah, we'll check out GJ on another video. But yeah, let's see how GU plays out. And we'll come back with a video later on in the week and see what transpired. I'll share my results on the broker that I've been using, Sway Charts. But yeah, that's it for today. Let me know what y'all think. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the video. And I'll definitely be back with more content and giving everything that I know and how I trade. And also showing my wins and losses. But until the next time, I'll catch y'all later.